Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to KonMari our shoes, mine, my husband's, and both of my daughters. So this is mostly mine, some of his, and then Reagan has some in her closet that I've already went through, so I'm not going to get all of those out, and then Briley has a whole basket in her room as well. So KonMari, the KonMari method, if you don't know, which most of you probably do if you're watching this, you basically go through each section of your home, of your things, and declutter them by holding them and looking at them, and if they don't bring you joy or happiness, or if there's anything that you don't like about it, then you get rid of it. And that is really working for me these days. So I'm trying to declutter my home. We have so much. I don't get rid of anything unless it is like trash. But we have so many shoes that just sit and collect dust and we don't wear them. Someone else could use them. We're going to donate them to a resource center in our area, so I decided that I needed to do this right away. And this is still not all of our shoes. Like I said, some are in Reagan's closet, some are in my closet, some are in a closet in the living room, and some are in Briley's room. The ones that are still in the closets in this video, I've already went through, and I know I'm keeping those, so I just got all the ones out that were on that rack behind me. We keep them right by the door. It's big enough for all of us to keep our shoes right by the front door, and it's kind of an eyesore, but you know, it works for us. So, and I think my mother-in-law gave me this. I think she paid like $7 for it, and it's adjustable, like it's like retractable. You can make it wider or narrower. So we have it like full length, but these are the shoes I have decided to get rid of or give away. And the other pile is the pile that we will be keeping. So next I'm going to head on over to Miss Briley's room and go through her shoes with her. We wear the same size now, so I let her go through the ones I'm giving away and she could keep the ones that she wanted, and then we went through hers that were in her room and we got rid of some that no longer fit, or the ones that she just never wears, or the ones that the dog has chewed up and we just haven't thrown them away yet. So
like everything about you. Everything about you. Everything about you.
So all the ones that she decided to keep still filled up this basket, and this is the pile that we're getting rid of or donating. Some of them will have to go in the trash, like that one on top. But this is the completed declutter. Thank you so much for watching. I feel so much better when I declutter. Like, it really helps my stress levels. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and Jesus loves you too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Bye.